Hi guys, welcome to Travel Ladder. In today's video we are going to explore Mahabaleshwar along with my friend and colleague Mr. Praveen. Let us start this monsoon adventure on bike. We started our ride at morning 5 am from the Hyderabad. We had our first breakfast at around 8:45 when we were 50 kilometers away from Solapur. After driving 2 hours non-stop, we had another chai break here. Trust me, you will start enjoying your bike ride from this place. After crossing Satara, you would start experiencing these amazing places. How could anyone just pass by without stopping to soak in these beautiful scenic places like this? People ask me, isn't it painful to drive 13 hours in one stretch? But when nature looks this beautiful, I forgot every bit of my journey strain. I wish soon you guys also will enjoy this kind of monsoon bike ride with your loved ones or colleagues, friends. If you guys want to finish it in just 3 days, here is the plan. Apply leave on Friday, you will get Saturday, Sunday holiday. Start Friday morning sharp 5 am. You would reach Mahabaleshwar by 4 pm. After that, check in your hotel, maybe take a time to find room and all. By 6 you try to visit Mahabaleshwar Temple and nearby all temples you can cover within 1 hour only, and take rest. Next morning, Saturday morning, start from around 9 am, something like that. Rest of the plan you would see in this video only, and finish your day 2 by visiting all places. Day 3 you would start at Mahabaleshwar morning 8 am and you would reach Hyderabad by 6 pm. Roads are awesome, mostly they are cement roads. 99% road is in good condition only. We finished our bike ride just in 3 days by covering all important places in and around Mahabaleshwar and Panchganga. If you guys willing to spend more time and you have more days to spend, you can plan several other activities also. In and around Pune there are plenty of waterfalls and several monsoon bike riding destinations are there, like Tamini Ghat and all. You can explore all those Kalu waterfalls. There are several waterfalls which are known for monsoon riding. If you are planning to visit Mahabaleshwar by public transport, nearest railway station will be Pune, and if you want to fly, nearest airport again Pune. From there you would find plenty of cabs available from Pune, and also you could find several bike rental services within the Pune. Guys, it's never too late for an adventure. Pack your bags, fire up your bike and ride into the breathtaking beauty of Mahabaleshwar. Don't get stuck in your daily routine, guys. Once in a while, step out, enjoy and feel the embrace of nature. It will fill you with fresh thoughts. Don't think too much and plan. Do you believe we just planned it on Thursday afternoon and executed on Friday morning? Don't worry about accommodation and all. There are plenty of resorts, hotels, lodges available. Depends upon your budget. We stayed nearby temple only. In front of our stay there is a strawberry garden, but it is not the season for strawberries. We couldn't see anything, but place is very pleasant and calm, quiet. It is very accessible to temple. If you are traveling on your own vehicle, you could stay anywhere, the place you like. You can book online or you can directly go to that resort or hotel and inquire there about the prices and all. This road journey is very scenic and beautiful. I couldn't cut the footage because it is very beautiful. Since it is a road trip, I prefer to keep these road visuals. Even though footage is coming long, I prefer to keep it. Depends upon your budget, you will find hotels starting from 1000 rupees here. We are about to reach Ghat section. In this video, I almost covered 80% or 90% of the Ghat road. Just to give you an idea of how this road will be and how scenic it will be. If you are not a fan of Ghat road, skip video for few minutes and watch it. Every turn reveals a secret, a hidden view, a sudden stream. We had a small break at this viewpoint. This viewpoint is awesome from where you can watch surroundings which are filled with green and blue sky. Check out my surroundings. They are fully filled with greenery. Hills are dressed in green, waterfalls singing down their slopes, and the air, heavy with the perfume of wet earth and wildflowers. Finally, at 4 o'clock, we reached our hotel. We have opted for this balcony view, which is costed around 500 extra, but it is worth. We had a good time there. Evening time, we have spent some time in balcony by looking at this awesome weather. It keeps changing every time. It is few minutes it is sunny, and again the very next moment it is to fill with mist. Temple is just 2-3 minutes away from our hotel. We are on the way to Mahabaleshwar Temple. It was around 6 pm and there was no public at all. Currently we are at entry gate. Since inside camera is not allowed, I didn't capture anything inside. We just had wonderful darshan. After darshan we had spent some time in and around the temple by looking at architecture and that beautiful misty weather. We enjoyed a lot and took some photographs here, and then decided to visit other nearby temples. Now we are at Shri Panchganga Mandir. Inside camera is not allowed, but still we try to capture some video here. If you like this video, please consider giving a like. If you are watching my video for first time and haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing also. Now we are at Atibaleshwar Mandir. All these temples are in and around this Mahabaleshwar Temple only. If you ask anyone, they will guide you. No worries. All these temples are in one place only. Few meters away from this temple, you would find Krishna River origin also. If you don't know exact location, please ask locals, they will guide you. It is only few meters from the main Mahabaleshwar temple. It is walkable. It is very old temple. Inside you will find very big Shivalingam, and also it is said to be Krishna River origin point. Don't miss this place. From here you will find beautiful scenic views also. If weather supports, you would able to see those. When we went there, it was fully mist and we couldn't see anything, so we decided to visit it again very next day also. When we went next day, we could see some scenic places from here. This is the point where Krishna River is originated. This is all about our day 1. In day 2, we will see all the other locations. I will cover in part 2, so don't miss second video or part 2. In day 2, we are going to visit Arthur's Seat Point, Elphinstone Point, Gates Point and Panchganga. Stay tuned for part 2. Mahabaleshwar feels less like a destination and more like a dream that I don't want to wake from.